Very tasty and very delicious coffee bean biscuits or cookies with chicory is ready. It's going to be very tasty. Just watch this, guys. Good morning. Today it's going to be coffee bean biscuits or cookies and the recipe is ready. I will share the recipe in the description. We will try to make coffee bean biscuits or cookies which will taste just like coffee. Absolutely, and they will look like this. I'm using 125 grams of self-raising flour, therefore I'm not using baking powder, and 25 grams of semolina. Let's sift all this together and then mix it with all this in batch by batch. So let's add the sugar, okay, and then let's add the corn flour. All right, and then let's add the egg yolk. And let's put the coffee, say instant coffee 1 and 2, and then you have to taste because you need to feel like you're eating coffee. Let's add the coffee chicory essence. Voila, the Bushells, the butter which I microwaved. All mixed. Put the flour in, okay. Just once is okay. Just make sure there are no semolina or the Soji. Now to use your hand and give it a light taste and see if anything is less. You will see. It's looking like a big coffee bean. Rest it in the fridge now, say for around 20 minutes. Fridge now. Looking good, and it's good to handle. You see. Put in the fridge, good to handle. I'm taking. So the balls are ready. We will just grease this ice cream scoop, okay, and place one ball in here. I will just demonstrate to you just one, okay. And now see, it's very easy. It is slipping out. Just let's slip it out, okay, that way. There you go. That's the bean. Now the process is very simple. You just take a knife and okay, that's it. Okay, this is your coffee bean, guys. Simple coffee bean, and we'll place them here one by one. This is the actual coffee bean. It tastes like coffee, it looks like a bean, but it is a biscuit or a cookie. Cheers, enjoy the coffee bean biscuit cookie. Cheers, guys. So this is the world's first only correctly done coffee bean biscuit with chicory. So remember, the world's first only correctly done. You see, that's the real coffee bean biscuit. It's going to go in the oven now for 15 to 17 minutes for 170. Video also includes the coffee bean biscuit mold making training. A quick egg wash before we chuck it in the oven. Just a light wash. That's it. Now chuck it in the preheated oven. Alright, let's go. It's empty in a preheated oven. Now time to seal it. In 15 minutes my biscuits are smiling. Hey, time to take them out. So the world's first correctly done coffee bean biscuit is ready. I'll plate them up and let's have a taste. These are the coffee beans. Don't they look similar? Hey, very simple and very easy recipe. Try this, guys. Very tasty and very delicious. Try with chicory.